Many weed killers claim to be fast-acting with visible results within 12 hours or even within hours. It is not surprising that we want results fast. However, we also want the weed killer to work well, to be effective. What makes a weed killer effective? For a weed killer to be effective on perennial weeds, the weed killer must not just kill the above-ground foliage. It also needs to kill underground storage members like rhizomes and roots. To reach those underground sinks, one must use a systemic herbicide like glyphosate. How does glyphosate get there? It follows carbohydrates as they move through the plant's vascular system. A typical fast-acting herbicide will contain a systemic herbicide, such as glyphosate, but it will also have an ingredient like diquat. Diquat is a contact herbicide. This means, unlike glyphosate, it kills on contact. When glyphosate and diquat are combined, the question is whether they act synergistically or antagonistically. Does diquat kill plant cells that are necessary to load the glyphosate into the weed's vascular system? Unfortunately, the only research I could find on this subject indicates that diquat's fast-acting injury does appear to reduce translocation of glyphosate. As Weichi and colleagues observed in their study, rapid onset of diquat-based injury inhibits the activity of glyphosate. If diquat is included, higher glyphosate rates must be used to avoid any loss of long-term control. Therefore, it pays to be a little patient with weed killer. It may take a few days before you see the results from an application, but the results will be better. If you want an immediate change in the landscape, consider doing another type of application where you cut the weed and treat the stem. This will immediately improve the appearance of your garden and will also give you good results. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. And also, please consider subscribing to our channel.